everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. My name is Mindy Banks. I'm the Flip Flop Chef. Today I want to show you how to throw together a quick and easy salad using leftovers in your fridge. So I have some leftover pork tenderloin. Actually last night for dinner I made 2 pork tenderloins using Pampered Chef's Deluxe Multi-Cooker. I made them sous vide, and so I made 1 for last night and then 1 for leftovers. And so I flavored this one with Pampered Chef's Kansas City barbecue rub, and this is going to be perfect on a salad. And so if you are like me and you work from home, then sometimes you may find it to be a little bit too much trouble to try to stop and make yourself a really good meal. So leftovers are a great option if you're cooking at home. Salads are always easy. Smoothies are always a great idea too, but this is just a great way for you to kind of use up some of the ingredients in your fridge and also feed yourself a nice meal so that you can keep going through the day. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to use our classic batter bowl here to just kind of mix up everything. I'm going to make this kind of like a chopped salad. So I'm going to start off with, I'm going to use 2 different kinds of lettuce, and I'm just going to tear off some of these. This has been washed and stored in the fridge. So I'm going to tear off some of these leaves, and then I'm going to add some spinach leaves. So you can use whatever lettuce you have, iceberg, romaine, green leaf, whatever you like, and you could just use one of these. Doesn't have to be multiple, but I wanted to make do it a little bit different than normal. All right, I'm going to add some of our some of these pork pieces. So just a small handful of the barbecue pork. Rinse my hands real quick. And then we're going to take our salad choppers, which if you guys have watched many of my videos or if you've been to any of my Pampered Chef parties, then you know I love the salad choppers. I actually have 2 of them and I use them quite often. So I have my salad choppers here. These are double-bladed scissors. I can use these to chop all of the lettuce and the pork at the same time. Now, if you're new to my channel, please hit subscribe while you're here, and also go to theflipflopchef.com and join my recipe community. I have thousands more recipes and videos there. I also have a weekly giveaway every single Friday. All right, I'm gonna add some bell pepper to this. I just wanted to get that a little bit chopped up. I'm not gonna use the whole pepper. This is something that you could just cut off what you want and store the rest in one of our reusable silicone bags. So you can just toss these in here and use your salad choppers to chop them up. I'm gonna add some tomatoes, but I'm gonna cut those in half with my closing cut. I don't want to really just destroy those tomatoes. I just want them in half. Let me grab a scraper real quick. Okay, I'm gonna grab a scraper because I'm gonna need this in just a little bit to transfer this over to my my bowl. So I'm going to show you our closing cut really quickly. So if you haven't seen this, this is like a magic show now. And you're going to take your closing cut, fill one side with grape tomatoes. Excuse me. I inhaled something. I'm not sure what. So sorry. Put all of your tomatoes in there, and then you can slice them all at one time with the chef's knife. All right. Sorry, you guys. I kind of had like a coughing fit there. If you missed the tomatoes, before I had to stop the camera and come back, I put all of the tomatoes here in the bottom of the closing cut, and then I took my chef's knife and I just cut them all across. So it helps me cut them in half, every single one. I'm going to add these to my bowl, and then I'm going to shred some cheese. I'm going to set my pepper over here because I'm going to use that bowl. Let's see. Get this package open. I have jalapeno Havarti cheese. You can use whatever cheese you want. I have no idea what made me have a coughing fit, so I apologize. All right, I'm going to use our cheese grater here to shred some cheese. And you guys know I love cheese, so I don't measure this. If a little's good, a lot's better. All right, that's good. What I'm going to do is I'm going to bring my bowl back over here, and I'm going to add my dressing into the bowl. Now, this is a ranch dressing that I made using Pampered Chef's ranch seasoning and all-purpose dill mix. So I'm never going to remember how these open. I'm going to squirt my dressing in here. And that recipe you can find at theflipflopchef.com. Just go to that website, click the button at the top, and it'll redirect you right to my page. And if you have any trouble finding that, just let me know. So I have tossed my salad with the dressing. I'm gonna pour it in the bowl. And then I'm gonna top this with, let me show you this. So this is what I'm working with here. And I'm gonna put some cheese, so the jalapeno Havarti, lots and lots of cheese. So we're gonna add that on the top. And then I like to add something crispy. So I know this is not an Asian salad, but I do like putting wontons on all kinds of salads. So I'm gonna use that today. I didn't want croutons. So every once in a while I want croutons, but usually I like something a little more crispy and just a different flavor. So I'm gonna add a little bit of the wonton strips. I bought these at Walmart, very easy to find. And there you have it. So here is my clean out the fridge, need a quick lunch meal, just throw everything together in the bowl and enjoy. So I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Don't forget to go to theflipflopchef.com, subscribe to my channel, and also let me know if you have any questions. I hope to see you next time, and that's all I have for you today. Take care.